All right, number 5. We have a diagram given, and we want to know which is the correct set notation for the picture that we see. Okay, so in this picture, we have A, we have K, they overlap. But we're only shading the part of K that does not overlap with A. So basically we have taken this K, the whole set K, and taken away the part that is in A, just this part right here, to leave me with this K. So that's the notation. Another way, more advanced, to represent that would be K intersect A complement. So let me show you how this works. If you ever see this, this is another way to represent that. So here's A. Here is K. So I'm going to shade K first, which I'm going to shade everything that's in K. Alright. And then I'm going to shade A complement with blue line. So A complement is everything but A. Everything but A. So that's including this K over here. So if you extract this picture, the part that has double shading, it would be the part of K that's not overlapped with A. This only has purple, the part in the middle. This has purple and blue. All of that is part of A complement. And so this is also another way of saying K minus A. A little bit more advanced. This book is using the subtraction method. So we're going to say K minus A. Okay, so now we want to represent this. So all of the outside. So how do we get that? We use the same color, just different direction. So we'll say this is A, this is K. The way we get this, and it could be represented two different ways. A complement intersect K complement, which using De Morgan's laws is saying the same thing as A union K complement. So I'm going to show you both pictures. So first I'm going to show you A complement intersect K complement. So A complement everything but A. I'm going to do vertical lines for everything but A. Okay. So I've shaded everything except for A. There's no shading in A. Now I'm going to shade K complement. I'm going to do it with horizontal bars. I'm going to do bars with everything except for K. Now if we look at the part of the picture that has double shading, the crosshairs, that is everything on the outside. K has shading but only vertical lines. A has shading but only horizontal. When we intersect, we want to know which one has both. So that would just be the outside. A cleaner picture is what we're seeing on the screen. If we look at it this way, okay, because they show that other symbol there, A, we'll just call it A and K. If I shade A union K, I will be shading all of this. This is A union K. Okay. Everything here. However, this says complement of this, so everything but A union K. So that means I don't want this part. Okay. Instead, I want everything on the outside, everything but that. Okay. So both of these are ways to represent the outside part being shaded. So I want to figure out which formula says that. So we have A intersect K complement. This one is good. This one looks close, but be careful because the sign gets flipped. It gets turned to a union there. Okay, so you got to be careful when dealing with that. So we want A complement intersect K complement. Okay, part C, we want to use this diagram and figure out which one is the correct notation. So only thing we have shaded is in between A and K, so it's kind of like saying A intersect K, but we're missing a piece, and the part we're missing is the part that goes into Y. So I want to do A and K and then take away that part Y. And there's another way to write this. It is A intersect K intersect Y complement everything but Y. So if we draw this out, again, I want to kind of show you how these things are going so you'll be better at seeing what's going on if you just look at the answer choices and work backwards. This is what this looks like. And I'm only going to want the part that has triple shading because I'm going to do three. This one, and this one. I'll do different colors. So we'll call this one A. We'll call this one K. And then down here at the bottom we have Y. Okay. So we're going to do A first. So here's A, vertical lines right there. That's A. I'm going to do K with horizontal lines. Okay. So we can see that whole middle piece is shaded. And then I'm going to do Y complement with diagonal. Okay. Everything but Y. Okay, so I got to be careful here because Y goes through there. So this green line is going to go through the part of that middle circle, but not through Y. So all of Y is not going to have any green. So this middle piece has blue, green, and purple. That's the one that's intersecting all of them. This is the way to represent that little bitty shaded piece. Now it's all messy right now, but if you just extract the part that has the triple shading, it'll be that little piece in the middle, which is this piece right here. So we want A intersect K intersect Y complement, and C looks like the one that says that.